So, I'd just like to thank my mum, my dad, my sister, and of course my adoring husband for always being there for me to win Best Actress from Madame Tussauds London. I mean, it just means the world, and I didn't expect this. I didn't write a speech. I really had no idea, but thank you for voting me the best actress of all time. Of all time. Thank you. Good night, London. Hi guys, bonjour. How are you doing? Welcome back to our channel. I am Emma and Jay is at work and he'll be featuring towards the end of this video, middle of this video. This is my first scene, so I'm not so sure, but he will be here. Scene? What do I think I am, an actress? One day, maybe. I can see my Oscar behind me. I didn't win that from an award show, unfortunately. I got that from a museum in London, Madame Tussauds Waxworks. If you haven't been there, check it out because it's a really cool way to take photos with celebrities that unfortunately you may never meet. I can't stop staring at the Oscar. It's given me an idea. So, I'd just like to thank my mum, my dad, my sister, and of course my adoring husband for always being there for me to win Best Actress from Madame Tussauds London. I mean, it just means the world, and I didn't expect this. I didn't write a speech. I really had no idea, but thank you for voting me the best actress of all time. Of all time. Thank you. Good night, London. I mean, maybe my speech would go something like that. Let's just place this down here. All right, so in all seriousness, I said Jay's still at work and yeah, he'll be joining in a few hours. So I want to do something nice for him. I like to think I'm a pretty good wife, but Jay reminds me far too often, which I hate it when he's right, but he is right about this. I will never cook him his favourite food. And I feel really mean. I like to cook for him. I try and cook him really nice meals. I cook him meals, obviously, that I know he likes. But his favourite food is fish. Seafood, salmon, sea bass, crab, anything to do with seafood, but he loves salmon. So the smell of it, guys, like I don't just want to be harsh, but the smell of it just makes me gag. Like literally I'm like the whole time. So sometimes I can't even be in the same room. To be honest, I mean, if this is the worst problem in a marriage, we're very lucky, but it can cause arguments because I don't want to be in the room. He's Filipino, so you know, us as English people, we eat like cereal or toast or something small and simple for breakfast. So he always likes to cook fish. So because you guys really, don't you? You have main meals as your breakfast. So it causes complaints because at the moment I'm working from home, so it just stinks of fish the whole time. Puts me in a foul mood, but it's his favourite and he doesn't stop me eating my favourite food, although my favourite food doesn't stink the house out. But anyway, I need to get my ass into gear. And not once in the 3 years have we been together. But guys, we have only been living together 1 year. Just bear that in mind, 1 year. In the 1 year that we've been living together, and I guess, yeah, the days were long distance, I never cooked him fish. So today I'm going to rectify that. So I'm very nervous because I've never cooked a fish in my life. Don't like seafood. The only fish I like is fish that isn't real fish, like traditional English fish and chips. So it's just covered in batter, like fish fingers, like the kids type of fish, really. so I went shopping and I bought the salmon. So we're gonna do the salmon. I bought a nice fresh salmon fillet and I'm planning to do him rice, of course. He always says no rice, no power. So rice with salmon fillet, and hopefully it will taste really nice. I'm always extra, so I'm gonna try and make the rice in really nice, like love heart form. I've got my beer as well, and yeah, we'll just have a really nice night. I'm noticing this keeps coming up. I'm a badass. I got a tattoo today. So, to be fair, I've had this tattoo already, but it needed a little bit of a touch up. So it's got touched up today. It's really, I love it so much. Like, it's really, obviously it's a little bit bumpy and funny lines on it right now, but it's a travel tattoo. It's a love heart. It isn't wonky love heart. I will show you a picture of it that I already have it. It's just wonky because of all the cellophane on it, with a plane. So, because I love travel and I met my husband while traveling, so it means a lot, twofold. I also bought some other goodies when I was out. So I bought myself this lovely ice cream chocolate bar eyeshadow palette. I'm actually wearing one of the colours right now, the purple on my eyes. So I'm wearing that. It's really gorgeous colours inside. And I just thought it's so cute. So who wouldn't want to wear that? I'm wearing pretty in pastel. So hopefully I'm pretty in pastel. Also, I bought this. So from the bakery. Reminds me of when I went to New York. The bread pretzels. They're the best thing ever. They look like Mickey Mouse ears, don't they? I have two. I got one for Jay as well. The other one's in the bag. But yeah, if you haven't had one of these, you need to find one and get one. It's just bread, which is one of the best things ever invented anyway. But with like massive grains of salt all around it. Soft bread. It's the bomb. It's really good. And yeah, I told you I got Jay a beer. And I got me a little can. This is England, so we have wine in a tin. So it's Blossom Hill, which is a brand. Spritz, raspberry and blackcurrant. So it's basically wine and lemonade. Spritzer. So really excited to drink this. So what I thought I would do, guys, is yes, we're going to cook the salmon. And and also for dessert, I'm going to make brownies. I'm going to make chocolate fudge brownies with white chocolate inside because that's Jay's favourite chocolate. And I thought that I would take you on a small tour around our house, show you where we live and show you our small but humble home sweet home. So come with me and yeah, let's enjoy the day. Alright guys, so we're in my corridor right now, just about to go inside. I'm whispering because I can hear my neighbours are around and I don't want them to see me YouTubing. I still get a bit embarrassed. Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what you see when we walk in the door. Alright, so that's the main door that I just walked into. Ignore these chairs all stacked up here, we'll talk about that in a minute. And you've got our pictures here. So these are our memories. We get these tiles done every now and then when we get a really nice photo of us. So we like to put those on the wall. You know, just shows that, you know, this is our house. It's full of memories of us. And then we've got our tracker here. So we're saving for a house. So this is just a nice reminder for us. I got this made on our first year wedding anniversary. Obviously it's a cartoon sketch. It's done from one of our photos from our wedding day. So I love that. This is like my favourite thing. This is just where we put our mail and our keys. I definitely paid too much for this key ring, but I thought this was adorable. And then yeah, we've just got our books and our shoes. And then moving along as well, more shoes. A girl can never have too many pairs of shoes. More photos, books, and you know, just little ornaments. Then you have our bathroom. Turn the light on. You're gonna see me. Hey me, hey, hi guys. So this is our bathroom, just our products, shower, bath bench, and yeah, toilet, which we won't focus too much on. And then leading on through to our living room / kitchen. So living room, which is open plan with our kitchen. It's a nice kitchen actually. Again, it's a small place, but it's ours. That's kind of our junk area. We have a junk cupboard as well in there. I'll show you that in a minute. But that's like all our home workout stuff, which we don't use. I now use it to hang my handbags on. So, you know, dual purpose and everything. Monopoly board. We had our friend over last night, Annie, one of my best friends. I've been best friends with her since I was 14 and I'm 28 now. So she came round. So that was really fun. We played Monopoly. We're a little bit Monopoly obsessed in this house. So we've got the Monopoly original game. And then we've got the Friends version. Have you guys got Friends in the Philippines? Have you heard of Friends? I absolutely love this show. Tell me who your favourite is if you watch it. I can't get enough. Like, I have seen every single episode of Friends like 85 times. But I can watch them all day and not get bored, and I still laugh out loud. So tell me who your favourite is. Always wanted to be Rachel, but as I'm getting older, it's becoming clear I'm very much Monica, because I do like to be organised. Like if you look in my cupboard here, this is one of my favourite cupboards. So you've got all your sauces and your condiments, and then yeah, all my food in jars, which I think are so pretty. Everything is labelled: sweets, chocolate, crisps, biscuits. You get it. And this is our spice rack and the flowers that Jay got me, but unfortunately they are starting to die, but I just don't want to throw them away yet. They're pretty. So spice rack, hot chocolate station, cereal station, and then our table here. So, oh, our fridge. Let's do one of those MTV moments. You're in my fridge. Okay, so not as organised this one, but not bad. We've got a fruit pile, yogurts, vegetables, meat, some more meat, Starbucks coffee, lots of wine and beer. We don't actually drink that much, I swear, but it's always good to have stock. And then underneath the fridge, we have the freezer. And obviously Jay couldn't live without the rice cooker, so we have the rice cooker here in the slow cooker to store space. And we don't have a balcony, but we do have this window which opens up pretty far. A money tree, which I'm hoping will grow. Apparently, when this tree grows, it's a sign that you're going to come into some money. And then just some more pictures from our wedding. I'm very happy for that day. And this, yeah, the window opens all the way up. Nice breeze. Not much of a view, but hey, it's home. My computer chair, we bought it from the office because I was getting a really bad back, you know, just sitting on the sofa and the dining chair. So they bought this for me from my office while I'm working from home. That's why the chairs are all piled up here, because there just isn't room for both. And this is a box we're sending to the Philippines for Christmas. So because it takes a few months, you know, we're going to have to send that in actually probably like a week or two. So we need to, you know, it's getting there, but we need to get it all filled up. Let's go on to the bedroom. This is the bedroom. So this is where we watch TV in bed. Just mind our clothes are just drying there. Laundry has to be done. Bedside table, under the bed storage, slippers, and then obviously another bedside table. This is my side, this is Jay's side. But sometimes we do mix it up actually, depending on how tired we are. But usually, yeah, I'm on this far side here. The drawers where obviously more clothes go in. Storage boxes, photo albums, more books. This is my money box. This is my predictions box I did with my best friend Hannah. I'm so excited. So we've got predictions in there for both of us. Basically, we did it 5 years ago. We said what we think each other will have achieved, what will be new in the world. And actually it'll be 5 years this Halloween, so in like a month or 2 months. I'm so excited to open it. Another caricature, the same one, lioness, to remind me to be brave and powerful. And then here are all my little special treasures which mean the world to me, including my late grandma's ring. It's so gorgeous. It was like the best present that I've ever received. It's 3 rings made into one. It's so meaningful. 3-door wardrobe. So we've got our clothes in here. Jay's side, my side. There is actually a divider here. It's meant to be that Jay's clothes cannot pass the line. But yeah, we both kind of ignore that rule. And our suitcases are stored at the bottom. Good storage hack. Oh, and I put these on the wall just with adhesive hooks. Just to store like belts and stuff and long necklaces. Say hi to all our teddy friends on the top. So we won him at a fair. This is from the Queen Elizabeth. That's been mine since I was a baby. So is this one. I was literally born with this one. And I've had him since I was about 10. Adoni is the ship where we met. So we got the bear from there. And then yeah, Jay got me that pillow as a gift. And all the millions of jackets we hang on the back of the door. Alright guys, so that was our small house tour. Hope you like it. Thank you for coming. I'm gonna cook the salmon, cook the brownies. I'll show you them. And then hopefully Jay should be home. Alright, so you guys saw my house was pretty clean before. This is the reason why Jay doesn't let me do much cooking, because I turned the house into a bomb site. I just watched a YouTube video, Gordon Ramsay, how to cook a salmon fillet, and the biggest tips, he says it has to be skin down, then you cut little grooves into it and it makes the skin really nice and crispy. Salt, pepper, he said another flavour in, I've forgotten. And then he said, sprinkle lemon. I need to get the rice on because he will be home soon. So the oil is heated up. I've got 2 salmon fillets and I've put a knife through them, like Gordon Ramsay said. Apart from he said not to do it too deep, and I think I did. So in it goes. Skin side down, as Gordon Ramsay said. Oh, it's making a good noise. He said that's what we want, so that's good. There's a lot of oil, but Gordon Ramsay had a lot of oil in his pan as well. Add in some garlic. Get all that nice flavour in with the garlic. You let it sit here for 6 minutes. Squeeze in lemon. Oh, it's sticking at me. Okay, so I've cooked the salmon. I cooked that brownie looking thing, which look at this. This is what's happening to the brownie right now. Definitely undercooked. It's gonna go in the bin.
Smells good.
What's it smell like?
Smells fish.
Yeah, why don't you come in and see what's cooking?
Smells like fish. I thought you were cooking.
Oh yeah, I told him I'm cooking toad in the hole. And actually, I'm trying to cook you salmon.
Hello guys, kauwi ko lang sa trabaho. It's coming back. Oh my god, this is my favorite.
So I got the star. I cannot find a love heart, so he can be a star. And then let's see if that stays in the mold. Ta-da! Little bit.
Look guys.
I didn't know if you would want just 1 or 2, so I did the 2.
Yeah.
And then you can have more rice because I know that's not enough power for you.
Lovely wife guys.
I'm a trier.
Pinagluto niya ako ng isda.
We're gonna smash the star because it doesn't really work. Okay. And then just sprinkle it off with just one last dash of lemon, as Gordon Ramsay told me to. And voila, sir, dinner is served. Alright, so here he is. Is it good?
Yeah.
Tell me what it tastes like, explain the flavour.
It's lemony, but it's really good. It's really good when you put a little bit soy sauce, you know, to make it a little bit more tasty.
I just followed Gordon Ramsay's recipe.
On YouTube. It's really masarap. I like it.
If I overcooked it, would that be burnt if you were cooking it yourself?
No, this is the perfect one. Because salmon it's really easy to cook.
Salmon.
Salmon, yeah. Guys, in the Philippines, usually we pronounce salmon. But here in the UK, you need to remove the L. Salmon. You're having food already? Not yet. Emma is really, really good, guys, because she cooks me a fish. And also, this is she bought me a beer as well. How lovely she is.
Cheers.
When you come home from work and you're really tired and knackered and hungry and starving, and your wife cooks this fish, guys, is my favorite food apart from vegetables, but I love fish. And this one as well with a partner. So cheers, guys.
Thumbs up. And
Thanks so much.
for dessert, this undercooked cake.
This banana cake gone wrong.
We'll have ice cream. It's not banana cake.
Failure.
It's meant to be it's a brownie, but a white chocolate brownie. It's called a blondie.
Brunette.
All right. Anything you want to say to the camera, or we put in the
I just want to say
away?
thank you guys for everything, for the love and support to our YouTube channel. We are now 4,000 subscribers. Yeah! Kung wala kayo, guys, and stay safe. I think I'm gonna have more rice. It's really good. Extra rice, guys. No rice, no power. That's me.
I told you he says that.
You know, in the Philippines, when we cook the salmon, we put only vinegar and garlic, onion, and soy sauce. We call it paksiw, but this one is a little bit slightly of paksiw version.
I cut holes in the top of it. Gordon Ramsay said to cut holes in the top of it in skin.
So that
Helps it cook all the way through and get the juices in.
Yeah, it's really juicy. Look, see, you can see.
So, out of 10, how did I do?
It's really yummy. This is your first time cooking fish, yeah?
Yeah.
So guys, this is the first time of Emma cooking fish.
Give me a rating out of 10.
10. Perfect. Thank you so much for cooking. So for now, guys, I'm gonna eat and let's continue later on.
So, are you happy that I cooked you fish?
Yeah.
Finally?
You know, guys, first time Emma cooked the fish and it was really good. It's like kind of paksiw in the Philippines, but here they called it lemon fish. How do you?
It's just salmon.
Yeah, it's just salmon, but for us it's like paksiw, but yeah, it's the same.
But was it actually nice, or were you just being nice to me?
To be honest, it's not because you're my wife that I'm gonna say it's really good, but to be honest, it's really good, guys, and I love fish so much, so no complaint. Really appreciated that she's cooking Thank you so much.
If I did it badly, then maybe he would never ask me to do it again. Damn it! Should have burnt the fish.
Yeah, so guys, stay tuned and we will do shout out.
I'm gonna leave that to this guy here because I have something to do. But thank you guys for watching me talk. I'm sorry if I spoke way too much. I hope you enjoyed watching me and listening to me and enjoying the tour. Before I go, I'm just gonna show you my tattoo because I've uncovered it. Ta-da!
It's really nice down
Yeah. Alright, bye guys.
Shout out guys, shout out. So guys, shout out portion na po tayo. Kahit hindi pa kami famous, so we will still do shout out guys. So we are really thankful and appreciated you guys that you love and support our YouTube channel. So maraming salamat talaga guys sa walang sawang panonood ninyo sa amin. Hindi namin akalain na abot kami sa 4,000 subscriber guys. Sa mga hindi pa nagka-subscribe dyan, please pinutin nyo na yung subscribe button guys, and wala namang mawala sa inyo pag mag-subscribe kayo. Just press the subscribe button and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos namin. So once again, thank you so much. Shout out kay Sir DM yung nakalagay. So shout out London Soledad from San Francisco, California. Love your story. Thank you so much, sir. Shout out kay Ginny Banaag. Shout out sa iyo dyan. Shout out din kay Anita Tubio. Shout out family in Birak and Biga Catanduanes from Hong Kong. Shout out din from Laguna. Lagi kong pinapanood ang mga vlog nyo. Shout out kay Romrem TV channel. Shout out sa'yo. Shout out kay Bunso Jida. Julius watching from Riyadh, KSA. Davao Pride. Duterte Solid. So shout out kay Johnny Alandone. Shout out sa'yo bro. Shout out kay Hariong. Pa-shoutout sir from Marlon Patiga from Alcobar, Saudi Arabia. Tuyan Naga, Cebu, Philippines. Shoutout sa'yo bro. Shoutout kay My Simple Recipe Home Cook. Shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout kay Spinks the Grit. New subscriber hereby. Shoutout ang Singkos family sa Surigao, Anasipit, Agusan del Norte. Watching here from Alcobar, Saudi Arabia. Shoutout kay Melody Receive. Shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout kay Arlene Lagumbay. Shoutout kay Samuel Abarca. Shoutout sa taga Leyte dyan, Southern Leyte. Shoutout kay Edmar Del Yumes. Shoutout kay Nanti Aquino from Hilongos, Leyte. Shoutout kay Iniel Duero from Dubai. Shoutout kay Jenny Padayogdog. Shoutout from Cebu. Shoutout kay Paul Kabanakan. Shoutout sa'yo bro. Shoutout din kay Brenda Person. Shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout din kay Noli Gomez. Greetings Noli Gomez family and Batad San Remigio, Cebu. Sir, nice you cut pang kumbira style, good ba? Shoutout kay Ronnie Ano. Shoutout kawayan from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Shoutout kay Jinidin Nova Sapnet. Shoutout kay Pinoy Swiss Abroad. Shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout kay Concepcion Corpes. Shoutout kay Jinidin Nova Sapnet. Shoutout kay Rodel Daldal. Shoutout kay Pinay NOC. Shoutout sa'yo dyan sa Australia. Shoutout kay Gerardo Elarza. Gary Ilarsa from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Shout out kay Stefanio Alas from Dubai. Davao with love. Marami tayong watchers sa Dubai. Taga Davao. Shout out kay Jimmy Sutokwa. Hi sa Sutokwa family from UK. Shout out kay Jay Doma. Love watching you guys here from the land down under Australia. I'm from Leyte as well, Sangkay. Pa-shoutout sa next vlog. Shoutout sa'yo bro. Shoutout kay Patay Gutom. Patay Gutom talaga. Hello kabayan, Bisaya here. Pwede kita ma-message in private about requirements pagpunta UK. Yeah, you can send like our Facebook page, Filipino British Couple, and you can send me a message there straight away. And shout out kay Hans UK. Kaibigan ko to sa sa taga Southampton din. So subscribe nyo na siya, guys. So sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa amin, maraming salamat talaga, guys. And sa mga vlogger na nagsuporta sa akin, sila Montejo family, Filipino Czech family, and Filipino Hungarian family, guys. Maraming salamat. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala kami dito, guys. So maraming salamat talaga. Sa lahat ng mga OFW, shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan. Ingat kayo lagi at God bless you all. And we will see you on our next video, guys. So, bye-bye.